Ecwid Dropshipping with Aliexpress tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can dropship items from Aliexpress to your Ecwid store. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to go ahead to ecwid.com, sign in for an account. It is very easy and then you will be faced with this dashboard. And the second thing, you have to go to AliExpress, get an account, and there you can go and search for the products that you are going to make. Now we are going simply to the left side menu right there and click on Sales Channels. Here you have to set up your selling platform. You can go ahead and sell on the go, for example, on the mobile version of Ecwid, Android, and here we have the Facebook or social media selling options, and here we have the marketplaces, for example, for Google Shopping, TikTok, Amazon, eBay, if you have a store on them or you are a eBay seller or an Amazon seller. And here we have the most important part, which is sell on your website. We have multiple options. We have Wix, WordPress, Weebly, Joomla, Rapid, Weaver, Squarespace, and other options. Here I am going simply to connect my Wix website or my Squarespace, get the Wix app for my website. Since I have created already a Wix website, here we have it. It will guide us to the Wix app market. I'm going simply to click on get to site or add to site and select from here the website that I'm going to add the Ecwid app to. Select it and let the magic happen. This is the first thing that we need to do. Click on agree and add. This is the sales channel. Now, after everything is set up and finished, we are going simply to Ecwid again. Then we have to make sure to the store location is available. You can go ahead and put the setup guide right here, apply it, and you will be good to go. Now you can go ahead after you have set up your website and design your website right here from the store appearance, store add-ons, and etc. Now, the most important thing right there is the catalog. Click on the catalog and you will see here the theme or the products samples that Ecwid gave us to our store. Now, as you can see, we have all the samples. If you want to add a product from AliExpress, very simple. Either you can go ahead and add it manually by clicking on a plus button right here, add new product right there. Here we have the product gallery. You can go ahead and select a product. Let's say that we have a product. I'm going to put this sweater. This is the sweater that I am going to put. So simply we are going to add it manually. We are going to upload the images for that product. Let's say that I have downloaded the image. See here, it is still loading. So this is not a problem. I'm going to select that sweater again, exit that choice button, and here we have it. I'm going to download the image. You can go ahead and get that image or the AliExpress image downloader and simply are going to download these images. I'm going to choose the images that I'm going to add to my store, like that, and this. Let's say that this is not what I wanted, but here we have it. Go ahead and download these images. Simply, we are going to put them to our store right there on Ecwid. Go and upload the images right there. Let's say that we have any type of images or any image that we are going to add right there. Simply here, I'm going to add this one, for example. This is just an example. You have to put the name of that product, for example, sweater, cotton sweater, man long sleeve pullovers. Copy. The less title or the shortest title is the most attractive. The SKU and the weight is optional to put. And here we have the description. Go ahead to the seller right there and you can get a description from the seller itself. As you can see here, we have the specifications, We have the description. You can get this image or whatever you want right there. Or you can also generate a description within a chat GPT. Here we have the option for the general, and then we have the attributes. You can go ahead and put a attribute for your product. Also, you can add some options and variation. In this case, we have some options, we have some colors, and we have some sizes, as you can see. Go ahead right there, add product option for the sizes and the also the variation. As you can see here, we have the option type, we have a drop down list, a radio button, or a size, and also a checkboxes. Go ahead and add whatever you want. For example, for the option name here, you can put as it is mentioned size. Here you are going to put M for medium, and you can add more values until you are satisfied. Here you are simply, when you finish this, click on add option, and here we have the customer input fields. You can add a input field right there. Here we have the files and the shipping. Simply right there, I'm going to cancel this step, go to files, and here it is set for the digital products. Now for the shipping and pickups, you are going to put here the shipping information, shipping rates. For example, if you use your store shipping methods on Wix, you can go ahead and rely these two, or a specific shipping method for this product, or fixed rate per item, or also free shipping. This is for the shipping. You can go ahead and include some taxes. Here we have the SEO, or the search engine optimization. You can go ahead and put the title and the product description to make sure that it is a website or search engine friendly. And here we have the related products. You can enable that option. And finally, the buy now button, or the call to action. You can put the product like that, and here we have it. This is for the manual project, or the manual steps from AliExpress to Ecwid. We can go ahead and search for the integration within Ecwid. Right there, I'm going to set an integration right here. For example, I am going to click on apps and app market. I'm going to leave that page, and simply we are going to see here the drop shipping options. Simply go to on the search apps, type drop shipping like that, and here we have the free app, which is sub drop shipping. Click on the app. Since it is a free, we are going to use it. Install the app. Simply go ahead and install it, and after you have installed the app, it will make everything easier. You have to connect your Ecwid account. Here we are going to wait for the app to be installed, and here it will be opening in a few seconds like that. Here we are going to the member center, or going to create an account, or it will go ahead and select an account for you. I'm going to use Facebook. Here a little disclaimer, guys: everything created in this video, such as email addresses, phone numbers, are created for the sake of the video. They are not used for any personal uses. Bind or create account. This is it. Incorrect account or password. I'm going to put here the Google data. Now we have the access to the sub dropshipping platform. Simply you can go ahead and see this is the dashboard, or our own dashboard. Now we are simply going to the stores. Click on stores, then select the store that you are going to connect. In our case, click on Ecwid, and here we are going to see that we have the store connected. We have the store ID and etc. You can reauthorize it, and here we have it. Now for the products, you are going to simply click on find product. We have here the sourcing. Click on it, and then we have the option to put a image, and you can go ahead and see the product or similar products from AliExpress. You can go ahead right there and click on find better price. You can go ahead and put the store existing or find new products, and we have the imported products. For the imported products here, as you can read, please enter the product URL or the AliExpress products. I'm going simply to get the product link, go right there, make sure that everything is pasted from the URL, click on import product, and we will wait for a couple seconds until the platform find the right product, which is this sweater right there, and we can go ahead and import that product directly to our Ecwid store.